I know I'm getting a lot of questions on these fenders on how they go on, and people are telling me it's a real pain in the butt. Well, you're absolutely right. It is. It's not fun, but it's easier than it looks. So we're gonna get our Allen key set here, and we're gonna take out these bolts here. So there's one here, and the same on both this side. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, they are a 5. So 5 mil Allen key. Take them out. And the other one. Okay. Let's see on the other side. You'll see also on this fender here, it came factory, you'll see, with a little scratch on it. That is not worth replacing a whole fender for. A paint pen is a lot easier to just go ahead and give it a little touch up. It's not something that's going to be super noticeable once it's on the motorcycle. So like I said, just a little touch up of red paint there, and that'd be just perfect. Now for these actually slide up like this and out of the way, and then they come back down over the top of this fender after you're done installing it. And I know this is the painful part, is right here, just trying to get everything to kind of slide in together. Everybody tries to do this and try to get it. That doesn't work. So what you have to do is kind of slide these up, and it is kind of a pain in the butt to do it yourself. And you come around in by the back. And I know it doesn't seem like it comes in, but if you notice, the fender will come in from the back, and it'll pop it into place like that. So then what you want to do is you want to bring these down and line them up with the holes at the bottom. There's one down here. And again, line it up on this side, same thing. Sometimes it's a little tight, so you have to tap it down a bit. Tight on both sides. Oh, that's good. Alright. So now we'll go ahead and put our screws in on this side. And make sure that we're down fair enough on that side. Now find our hole. There it is. Don't over tighten that, just tighten it up so you can get to your other hole and get it started. There we go. There's a little rubber grommet missing off of that. Okay, that side's started. Okay, same on this side. Oh, goodness. gotta make sure our holes are lined up the same. Okay, bring down our little fender holder here. Okay. Alright, so again, when you're putting these on, you just want to tighten them snug so everything kind of stays tight. You don't want to over tighten anything because you'll just snap plastic. So, there we go. Okay, perfect. Come to this side. Give it a tighten. Okay, perfect. Now that we got that out of the way,